Do you forget 60% of your content when you go on the stage? Do you tremble when you stand up on the stage? Does your heartbeat become faster while talking to strangers? A bird can never fly until it jumps from a tree. If you want to speak English before the people, if you want to speak anything before the people, before the audience, you have to go to the people exactly. It's very important for us to understand that without going to people, you can never eradicate your fear. You can never become the great boatman if you go to the stop water and boat your boat. You will have to face this storm, then you can become the great man of the world. Picture your dream as a distant mountain, and the practice is the one way which will lead you towards your target very soon if you practice daily. Practice offers multitude of the benefits. It enhances your skill, it boosts your confidence, it gives you a power of skills, actually power speaking. It makes your words perfection and perfect to speak before the people. That's why practice in a proper way. Present a minute point of your article or product. It will enhance your speaking and public speaking as well. Think about it and a little bit think, and it will give you a great enthusiastic power to think about anything. If you're going to speak in a proper way, there is one thing that you take a product and explain about that. The explanation, the more you explain, the more your thinking power will be built exactly. The more you explain anything, the more your speaking power will be better. The more you understand about a product, a little bit about anything and explain about that, it will give a great enthusiastic power to think and to grow, to speak as well. So it's a better way to explain if you just become a presenter. Take a little bit all the object and then try to explain about everything. A little bit, the points about that. It will give a great think about to speak English.